So how do you say the name of the cathedral in the city of France? Yes, there is another illustrious, famous and beautiful Notre Dame Cathedral outside of Paris. We are about an hour and a half, in fact, outside of Paris, in the capital city of the Champagne wine region of France. This is Notre Dame de Reims. In fact, most French kings, pretty much all of the kings of France, but a very few exceptions, were crowned in Notre Dame de Reims. Napoleon himself was crowned there, and most kings of France. Notre Dame de Reims. It's worth a visit if you're ever around Reims. Don't go only into the champagne houses tasting some delicious wines. Also visit Notre Dame de Reims. Notre Dame de Reims. Here are many more videos to learn more about French pronunciation and French wine if you like this as well. See you around. Au revoir. Bye-bye.